बोलो बोलो अयोध्या नाथ सिया बजू रामचंद्र की जय।
Namaskar. Phagwa or Holi is an ancient Hindu festival being celebrated in India for many centuries. It came to Trinidad and Tobago with the arrival of Indian indentureship in the year 1845. The origin of Phagwa or Holi can be traced to the Hindu holy scriptures, namely the Vishnu Puran, in which there is a story of an evil king Hiranyakashipu who wanted to destroy his very own son Prahalad for worshipping God and not himself the king. According to the scriptures, Hiranyakashipu then made a plot with his sister Holika to destroy the child Prahalad by fire for being disobedient to him. Instead, Holika perished in the fire while Prahalad survived, thus establishing the victory of good deeds over evil ones. The tradition of burning of Holika continues and precedes the actual day on which Phagwa is celebrated. This year marks 166 years of Phagwa celebrations in Trinidad and Tobago. The dance, performance and music played during the festival rejuvenate the mind and soul. The color, especially abir, penetrates the body, giving strength, improving health and beauty. During Phagwa or Holi, individuals clean their houses and removes clutter from their minds, thereby ensuring flow of positive energy. Therefore, it can be said that apart from rejuvenating the social ties, Holi provides a wonderful opportunity to let loose all the tensions and distress the mind. By the late 19th and early 20th century, Chautal groups were growing in numbers. Celebrants at that time played in their villages and roadways where they lived. Fun and laughter added to the joyous occasion in which citizens of all race joined together. And it was quite common for the boys armed with bottles of abir to chase the girls in friendly encounter, some of them perhaps hoping to establish closer relationship that could blossom into love. They brought from their homes messages of love, peace and happiness, and ended the day by sharing meals and refreshments. Phagwa came into national prominence in the year 1967 with the formation of the National Phagwa Council of Trinidad and Tobago. This year the council celebrates its 45th anniversary as we salute the pioneers of the past. The National Phagwa Council and 103 FM has joined forces once more to ensure that national prominence. Phagwa will be celebrated on the 20th of March 2011. And yes, Arangwe Savannah once more will definitely come alive with the festivities. It must be noted, my dear friends, that Phagwa is not Indian carnival. It is a time of reflection, enjoyment, putting aside our differences in oneness and unity as we prepare to welcome in the Hindu New Year. It is a celebration of triumph of good over evil. Happy Phagwa
आज
to all. महीनवा में पिया ये हो,
अरे पिया ये हो तू कौने महीनवा में पिया ये हो तू कौने महीन ए पिया ये हो पिया ये हो पिया ये हो तू कौने महीनवा में पिया ये तू कौने महीनवा में। चारे महीनवा जारा परत है, जारा परत है। चारे महीनवा जारा परत बिजली बिजली तरपे अंगनवा हो।